Indulge yourself with the Scudo S6 brushed brass double-door quadrant shower enclosure, available here at Bella Bathrooms. The clear glass panels of the enclosure provide unrestricted views, making the bathroom feel more spacious and inviting. The timeless brushed brass finish adds a touch of refinement to any decor, while its quadrant shape fits perfectly into a corner, saving valuable space. The smooth sliding action of the double doors provides effortless entry and exit, ensuring convenience and ease of use. Moreover, the Aqua Shield glass treatment offers superior protection against soap scum and water stains, keeping your shower enclosure looking brand new for longer. Say goodbye to monotonous cleaning and hello to sparkling transparency. Match this outstanding brushed brass shower enclosure with our brushed brass accessories to achieve a harmonious and polished look. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo shower enclosure range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.